Hi, Ellen. My name is David. Um, my wish um, for you, for me, is to meet um, one of my great inspiring role models, Degeneres. Um, I've grown up to know that he's been inspiring and he's shown me that whatever you can do um, in life, in every life lesson, that anything is possible. Life is possible. Um, Growing up, I didn't have the best of experiences being diagnosed after with an Alzheimer's cerebral palsy um, when I was about a year or so old. I had a trach clip my neck, and by the age of 10 years old, um, I didn't know whether I was going to be able to walk. Um, at birth, I was told I'd probably never be able to walk. Um, Through all this trials and tribulations that have transpired in my life, Ellen DeGeneres has been my rock, my salvation, my inspiration to want to be successful. My wish, and again, is to meet this wonderful person. I know a lot of people have negative things to say about this person, about how she isn't normal. But I got news for her. She's as normal as anybody else. She's my inspiration, and she's my role model. And I would love to meet this person for what she is, because she is the A train here. To meet Ellen DeGeneres, sit in a room, and to say, to be around great people is an all-around experience at itself. Um, I have done a lot during my high school career. Racked up quite a resume. In 2009, I managed high school athletics. From 2007 to about 2011. 2009, I was nominated for Manager of the Year for 2009 and Manager of the Year for 2011 and Fan of the Year for 2010. I managed football, basketball, baseball, did a year of track, and that was it. Um, but I racked up quite a resume within that time to be well respected in my community. Um, I've volunteered um, my time during my summer helping with what we call Challengers Little League Division, which helps with kids with disabilities. And I enjoy doing that each and every year that I get invited to do so. Um, but like I said, my wish is to meet um, talk show host and comedian Degeneres. I hope when she watches this video that she finds that there are very special people that just find her amusing in such a positive way that it opens people's eyes to equal opportunities in life. And obviously, God has placed her in my life for a reason. God has placed my parents in my life for a reason. And God has certainly placed a spot for her in my life because she sees that, doing the right thing for the right people I hope that when she takes a look at this video, she sees that I am a genuine, nice guy that wants to meet my role model, Degeneres. Um, if you watch this video, I would love to meet you and have um, make my wish come true. Because Ellen, you are what makes everything in my life go from good to great. I love you, Ellen, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks so much, and I appreciate all that you do each and every day. God bless. Be kind to one another, and I love you.